Hey, how y'all doing? So we got two trades to go over this morning, which is actually pretty uncommon for me. Two trades for me in one day. That doesn't happen very often. Very active trading day for me, I guess you could say. So we're gonna go over both of them in one video. Okay. So the first trade was an L, and the second trade was a W. So I did end up recovering all of the first L, and even got some profit on top of it. So both of those trades were on Euro CAD, okay? They were both buy setups, okay? So Euro CAD, as always, we're gonna start on the higher time frame daily chart, and we're gonna work our way down. So daily market structure on Euro CAD is clearly bullish. Okay, we had our shift right here when we broke that swing high level, and then we put in a swing low. At that point that the swing low is put in, 100% confirmed, market structure is indeed bullish at that point. Okay, so we are trading with a higher time frame trend. We are trading with a higher time frame tide. Now the higher time frame level. So right here, see this? This is our 4-hour bullish order block right there. So that was our higher time frame level, but we also had it right here as well. So right here, see this? I'm gonna go ahead and mark it. All right, so we had our higher time frame levels on Euro CAD, so that checks off the list. So we're trading with the higher time frame daily trend. We have higher time frame level. Now let's go down to our lower time frame chart. Real quickly, I'm going to put in some data dividers to clean it up a little bit. Give me one moment. You can see this morning during London session, actually let's start right here. So you can see actually during Asian session, we had this move lower down into that 4-hour bullish order block. It tested that 4-hour bullish order block. Boom, you get a nice big reaction off of that level of support. That reaction leaving what? Leaving our fair value gap confirmation, which is essential for a confirmation signal. Right there, we got our bullish fair value gap off of that higher time frame level. Okay, so now that we got that, do we want to buy price as it's ripping up right here? No, we want it to curl back into a discount, and it needs to be within my New York kill zone. For me, 7 to 11. All right, price then comes down. Pricing comes down into New York kill zone, as you can see, into a discount marketplace. So as soon as we pull back into a discount marketplace, I got my entry, and my stop on it was low of day, my profit target, previous day's highs. And as you can see right here, we had this liquidity run, which stopped me out. My sell stops, they got tagged. So you can see I got tagged out on this stop rate right here. That was the first trade that I took an L on this morning, but my stance didn't change on the play with that L. My bias remained bullish. I still like to play overall, and I figured it was just a stop run. Just at first glance, I figured it was a stop run. I didn't think that was going to hold. I figured as soon as I saw it, I figured my timing was just off on the play. And then what I saw was something very interesting. Right before the end of my kill zone at 11, we had a lower time frame shift in market structure right after that liquidity run of low of day. So we came down, we sweep low of day. We're still respecting that higher time frame level. Keep that in mind as well. We're still respecting that higher time frame bullish order block right there. And then we sweep low of day, we take those sell stops, and we get a shift in market structure on the 15-minute chart. Okay, it didn't have the fair value gap, which would have definitely been ideal, but we did just take a major liquidity pull. It is still a fairly strong shift, very explosive move, really strong close above the levels. And as I said, we're still respecting that higher time frame support. So I still like to play overall. So as soon as this thing pulled back down into a discount marketplace within that 15-minute price range, I started marketing in. So basically right at the end of my kill zone. My profit target on this remained the same. It remained previous day's highs, which it still hasn't hit. And I figured it was going to be a stretch. And my profit target, or my stop out point, was low of day. And as you can see, just beautiful follow through throughout the rest of New York session, just consistently grinding higher. Took out high of day buy side, and on the break of that's when I started exiting once we took out that liquidity pool. So that's the importance of psychology, guys. I can't stress having strong psychology enough. All right, people want to downplay it. They think, technical analysis is the holy grail. They think, that concept that they use, or knowing where price is going to go, where the draw is. They think all of that is more important than psychology, and I promise you, it's not. It's not, because without strong psychology, you're not able to continue to execute your edge. Without strong psychology, you're going to get unraveled just by a couple L's. You got to be able to take L's. You have to be able to keep that long-term perspective and keep executing your edge. Okay. I'm not worried about what's happening right now on the next trade. I'm just executing, and I'm letting the chips fall as they may. Think of it like this. The casino, guys, does the casino win every single hand? No, there's people that come into the casino and they win a few hands here and there. They take some money out the casino. But if they keep playing the casino, what are the odds? The casino's going to come out on top, right? It's going to come out with its pockets fatter. That's how you got to think about it. You just got to keep executing, keep a strong psychology, and if you have a true edge, then it will reflect with time.